Don't watch the children. Once we feel the all clear from our conductor, the concert will begin.
Para su seguridad y para que disfruten del concierto, por favor, permanezcan sentados, agárrense fuerte y no
For safety and to fully appreciate our concert,
Todos los artículos que puedan soltarse, incluyendo sandalias, mochilas, teléfonos celulares y anteojos,
and so our concert ends. Please stay seated until your silly symphony swing comes to a stop. Then lift the lap bar, check for your belongings, and leave through the nearest exit. Thanks for swinging with us. Feel free to breeze on by anytime. Please remove all loose items, including strapless shoes, sandals, backpacks, cell phones, and flashes, and place them in the bins that we provide for you.
And we didn't know that we were there.